Hello pool players, what we're going to be doing today is primarily looking at two frozen rail shots that are straight out from the cue ball. And in the opening here you'll see I have a third shot, and this is just to show that we need to practice from both sides of our object ball. So our first shot is going to be right at the first diamond. What I have found that works best for me is to use inside spin with pace. Now let's take a look at a slow motion view of how the cue ball contacts the object ball. Pay extra attention to the cue ball as it slides off the side of the object ball. We're going to be looking at another shot with different spin, and this is going to be very telling as to why this shot goes in. So in the making of this video, I shot numerous shots with outside left spin, yet I never made the object ball from this angle. And as I've edited this video, I realized what is really going on here, and we're going to take a look at side-by-side shots that will explain it all. So what I'm going to show you here is a stop action just prior to contacting my object ball. As you can see, the aim point is the same. But I really want you to see is look at the gap from the object ball to the cue ball on each frame of these shots. Notice how the gap is further away on the one to the right and it's closer on the one to the left. So what you'll notice here is the angle off the cushion towards the pocket is correct on the inside spin shot to the left. So what causes this angle change? It has everything to do with inside spin. You see, inside spin shortens the angle off the first cushion. This is caused by a gearing effect, which kills the object ball as it rebounds off the cushion. So now let's take a look at shot number 2. We've moved the object ball to the second diamond. This first shot is made with inside right spin. And next we're going to use left outside spin. And what I found by moving the cue ball to the second diamond is I could get away with both inside and outside spin with no issue. So your takeaway with this video should be, if you need to shorten your angle, use inside spin. Also, use paper reinforcements so that you can experiment with these shots. If you found this video to be helpful, please share it, as it can help other players and it does help me with my channel. And if you want to see another informative video, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.